there, my name is Bob, local tech wizard of NightByteTech on YouTube. Under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to install Linux Mint and Rufus. You click on download. Once you click on it, you can choose one of these: Mate Edition, SVC Edition, Synonym Edition. SVC Edition is only if you have pretty old laptop or a desktop you've been using for years. I would go with this one that doesn't cost your CPU, processor, or RAM. But we go with the Synonym Edition. You bought it brand new or like less than 2 or 3 years ago, and you're gonna need a 3 gigabyte, and your USB drive needs to be 8 gigabyte, 12, 24, 36, 64 trillion gigabyte, and up to meet this requirement. You scroll down, you click on these country you're from. Once you download the Linux ISO image file, you click also download this Rufus. It's also free, open source. You click on it, and once you download both of them, you open the execute Rufus, and you make sure you have the USB drive show up in here. Once you do that, you leave everything default. You click start, it reaches a green phone bar. But before that, you receive a warning. You click on it, you say OK, and once it's finished, and you're good to go. Just like